3D AI DNN engine, healthcare domain. Brain overview. The video presents a 3D AI deep neural network, DNN, engine, modeled as a cube at the center of an intelligent digital ecosystem. It simulates a brain-inspired AI system designed by Dr. Pradeep K. Suri that dynamically connects to multiple industry domains, specifically focusing here on healthcare. Large Blue Diamond 1. The 3D engine cube. The central cube symbolizes the AI engine, a representation of multi-layered intelligence, inputs, hidden layers, outputs. It's rendered in a glowing royal blue tone, giving it a futuristic digital brain identity. It stands as the core computational unit, processing high-dimensional health signals and learning patterns from medical data. Globe with meridians 2. Domain integration, healthcare focus. Around the cube, domain nodes like healthcare, finance, logistics, etc. orbit and connect via radiant neural links. In this healthcare-focused version, the healthcare domain becomes the primary data flow channel into the AI engine. This includes inputs such as patient vitals, diagnosis codes, treatment plans, imaging and lab results. Bar chart 3. Patient health bar chart, live dashboard. To the right of the 3D engine, the video showcases a bar chart of 5 patients. Each bar reflects a real-time health score, 0 to 100, generated from the AI's output layer after processing data. The bars are color-coded in deep sky blue, making them visually prominent over the dark theme. Gear 4. Real-time AI processing. The AI DNN engine takes in complex healthcare data, processes it through hidden layers, neural logic, and generates predictions like patient risk scores, disease progression forecasts, anomaly detection. This showcases how the engine acts as a digital assistant to doctors, augmenting human decision-making with AI insights. Clapperboard 5. Visual and thematic design. The dark-themed Plotly interface enhances contrast and clarity, suited for professional medical dashboards. Animation and 3D rotation, if enabled, reflect neural communication and continuous learning hallmarks of a brain-inspired AI model. The video is visually framed to present a synaptic web where healthcare data seamlessly flows into AI and insight flows back out. Health worker doctor's point of view. This 3D AI engine becomes my second brain. It shows me where the patient stands health-wise in real time. I can focus on care while the AI filters risks and triggers early interventions. Brain Architect's Keynote, Dr. Pradeep K. Suri. This 3D AI DNN engine is designed to reflect how intelligence forms in layers, transforming raw patient data into life-saving recommendations. This engine bridges the gap between human judgment and machine precision in healthcare. Thank you note. We thank the medical community and technology architects who enable such collaborations between AI and humanity. This is not just visualization, this is augmented healthcare intelligence.